We'll explore blockchain technology, what it is, how it works, why it's so revolutionary, and real-life application of blockchain in action. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a sequence of blocks arranged in a specific order. Each block contains useful information, like data or transactions, and is linked to the previous block using cryptography. This chain is distributed across a global network of computers called nodes, making it decentralized, transparent, and secure. Ledger. How does blockchain work? Let's break it down step by step. 1. A transaction is initiated. For example, you want to send Bitcoin to a friend. This transaction is added to a block containing details like the amount and sender or receiver info. 2. The block is broadcast to the network. Every node in the network receives this transaction block. 3. Nodes validate the transaction. Each computer checks if the transaction is valid, ensuring you have enough funds and the transaction isn't fraudulent. 4. Miners compete to secure the block. Verified transactions are grouped into a block, and miners solve a complex cryptographic puzzle using a process called proof of work. The first miner to solve it earns cryptocurrency as a reward. 5. The block is added to the chain. The new block is permanently linked to previous blocks, forming a secure, unchangeable ledger. This process ensures blockchain remains decentralized, transparent, and highly secure. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Why is blockchain revolutionary? Blockchain solves one of the biggest challenges in finance: trust. Traditional systems rely on intermediaries like banks or governments for trust. Blockchain, on the other hand, uses technology to eliminate the need for intermediaries. Here's why it's a game changer: a decentralization. No single entity controls it, reducing risks of corruption or manipulation. A transparency. Anyone can verify transactions. A security. Transactions are encrypted, and altering the blockchain is nearly impossible. Blockchain goes beyond cryptocurrencies. It's being used in supply chains to track goods from origin to delivery, healthcare for secure patient records, voting systems to ensure election integrity. Real-life example of blockchain in action. Imagine buying a product online. With blockchain, every step of the supply chain, from manufacturing to delivery, is recorded. You can verify the product's origin, authenticity, and shipping process, all thanks to blockchain. And that's it, Blockchain Explained. We covered what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's revolutionary.